Hi, welcome back. My name is Keith and this is my channel. Today we're at Discovery Bay, one of the most scenic and unique spots in Hong Kong. If you're looking for a relaxing getaway from the city hustle and bustle, this place is a must visit. Join me on this, which is my own personal snapshot of Discovery Bay. It's a bit windy, hopefully I can get the drone up, but we'll see. Discovery Bay. The locals call it DB. It's laid back, it's a resort-style residential area, and it's located on Lantau Island. Unlike the crowded streets of Central or Kowloon, Discovery Bay offers wide open spaces, waterfront promenades, and a peaceful vibe. It's the perfect escape if you want to slow down and enjoy nature. As you can see, it's near the end of October and it's Halloween time. Discovery Bay Plaza, which is the main hub of activity. It's filled with restaurants, cafes and little boutique shops. Whether you're craving international cuisine or seafood, maybe McDonald's or just a good cup of coffee, there's something for everyone here. My favourite spot is Zach's. I've eaten here. A restaurant with an amazing outdoor seating area that overlooks the water. They serve everything from burgers to seafood platters, making it a great place to chill with friends or family. If you love coffee, be sure to check out Hemingway's, an eco-friendly, pet-friendly cafe with a relaxing beachfront vibe. Discovery Bay has its own ice skating rink with its own ice hockey teams. One thing you will notice straight away about Discovery Bay is there's no private cars. Residents mainly get around using golf carts, bicycles, or the convenient Discovery Bay buses. Having no private cars makes the air fresher for sure, and the streets quieter, and the whole environment feel more like a holiday resort than a typical Hong Kong neighbourhood. Discovery Bay on Lantau Island. It's now nearly 5 o'clock PM. And the sun is going to set. It's very quiet and very windy. Going up this road out of Discovery Bay to see if I can get above everything and get a good view down. We'll see. It's not terribly steep, but it is uphill. I brought my drone with me today, so hopefully we'll get some good views from the air. Not too far, but it's I hope by the time we get around the top bend it'll give me a chance to see the view from up there. Like most towns and villages around the islands, some way from the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong itself, are always surrounded by hills, and hiking trails are in abundance. So we managed to get the drone up, and you can enjoy these spectacular views of Discovery Bay and the surrounding countryside. If you love the outdoor life, there's plenty of hiking trails nearby, like the Discovery Bay to Mui Wo Trail, which takes you through lush green hills and incredible panoramic views. If you're up for a challenge, the hike up to Tiger Head Mountain is a fantastic option. The beaches around Discovery Bay are a perfect place to unwind, whether you want to sunbathe, take a dip, or just enjoy a peaceful walk along the shore. These beaches offer a refreshing break from city life. You'll also see family joggers and even yoga enthusiasts enjoying the open space. Look out for more drone shots at the end of the video. Well, we managed to get the drone up and take some pictures and video of Discovery Bay over there, and we got some good photos across the top and down the other side over there. You're coming from Tung Chung or Sunny Bay, there are also DB buses that take you right to the heart of this charming community. DB buses being Discovery Bay buses. One of the really cool things about Discovery Bay is its strong sense of community. It's a popular spot for expats, families, and those who appreciate the slower pace of life. There are frequent community events, weekend markets, and live performances, which make it a lively yet relaxing place to visit. The sun's gone down. I'm heading back on the boat. Hear all the birds? This is my own personal snapshot tour of Discovery Bay. If you're looking for a peaceful escape with stunning views, great food and a friendly atmosphere, this really is the place to be, whether you're a Hong Kong local or just visiting. I would really recommend adding DB to your travel list. Let me know in the comments below. Have you been to Discovery Bay? What was your favourite thing about it? And if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel and lifestyle content. Getting to Discovery Bay is really super easy. You can take a 25-minute ferry ride from Central Pier 3, get some amazing views from the boat as you travel along. Anyhow, that was a short visit to Discovery Bay. Should get all of it edited and sent out onto YouTube as soon as I can. Another long day. 8 days in Hong Kong, very little sleep because there's so much to get done. Happy days. See you in the next video.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.